I remember the day like it was yesterday. I had nothing in my house, not even hope. My rent was due, my phone was off, and I had just sold my last pair of good shoes to buy a few things from the market. Palm oil, some dry fish, Maggi cubes. That was all I could afford, so I made groundnut soup. As I stirred the pot, something stirred in me. The smell reminded me of better days, of my mother's laughter echoing through the wind and my father's proud silence as he. I posted the soup on my WhatsApp that night, just a photo, nothing serious. The next day, someone messaged me, "Can you make that for my party?" That was the beginning of everything. I started with one order, then 10, and then I couldn't keep up. I didn't know it then, but that pot of grano soup became a turning point in my life. Sometimes it is a meal made out of inspiration that becomes the taste of your destiny. If this story moves you, comment "New beginning can start in the kitchen." Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food stories, because that is the only way to encourage my work. Hit the bell button so you don't miss out of the next story. I'm Chef Nisi. Love you. Bye.